Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issues on your Telegram application if it says that it is unable to play videos. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the Telegram app on your device and make sure that you are logged in. After logging in, you will be taken into your all chat page. From here you can browse through various groups or chats and conversations, and if there is any video within this conversation, then you can watch it right away. However, sometimes there are videos that won't play back and you will see an unable to play warning or notification on your screen. In this case, just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on settings. Now from the settings page, scroll down and then tap on data and storage. From here, you can turn on automatic media download for Wi-Fi and if you wish for mobile data as well. After doing this, the video media will be downloaded automatically once you tap on it, and it will stream while downloading. You can also scroll all the way down where you will see the stream videos and audio files option. Make sure to enable this option as well. And after this, you can try going back to the application and try playing back your video once again. And now, all of your videos should be playing back smoothly without any issues. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to solve the video not playing issues on your Telegram application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.